To create this garland, you will need a basket, a tapestry needle, scissors, and rope. I used 3mm twisted cotton string. This basket is 15 inches tall and is 15 inches in diameter at the top. This garland is a simple design that is easy to adjust so that it can fit around a basket of any size. Let's get started. Cut one piece of string 90 inches long. This piece will act as the base of your garland and will be wrapped around the top of your basket. To attach it to the basket, cut 8 pieces of string, each 10 inches long. Evenly disperse these 8 pieces of string around the top of the basket and then attach these pieces of string to the basket by weaving them under the top wire of the basket. Cut 18 pieces of string, each piece 31.5 inches long. Use lark's head knots to attach the string to the basket. Tie 9 square knots. Make 8 more square knots. Using double half hitch knots, tie 7 small diamonds. Create your diamond in the center of 2 square knots. Keep working your way around the basket, repeating that same process. To finish off your basket, you have the option of adding a couple tassels and pom-poms. To add a tassel, cut a piece of string 27 inches long and attach it to the handle of your basket. Tie a basic knot. Cut 10 pieces of rope, each 16 inches long, and attach. cut a piece of rope 22 inches long to use for the gathering knot. Cut the end that sticks out the top and then tuck it back into the gathering knot. Cut the ends. Make another tassel, repeating the same process. My second tassel sits a bit higher than the first. To do that, just cut that first piece of rope a little bit shorter. To make the first pom-pom, grab a small book and wrap the rope around the book 140 times. Cut a piece of rope 18 inches long and tie it around your bundle of rope. Cut the rope. Next, brush out the rope. Trim the ends to make sure the pom-pom is round. Add the pom-pom to your basket. Repeat the same process for the second pom-pom. If you are using yarn like I did, use the same book to create a smaller pom-pom. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Be sure to subscribe for more video tutorials and check me out on Instagram for additional updates.